Jai Hind. Welcome to the first episode of LPS Podcast. Today, we are starting a new initiative to enhance the linguistic skills. Today, we mark a day in the history of Lebanon Public School for the new beginning of podcast. This initiative supports the learners to empower them with the better linguistic skills. Today, we have a visionary leader with us today, our principal of the Lebanon Public School, Dr. Bhavna Chekar. Ma'am, we welcome you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, as LPS has taken a wonderful initiative to collab with Bird 4 years ago, a step was taken to build the linguistic skills. So I want to ask you few questions related to that. So may I?
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So my first question to you is, what is the idea behind this initiative for strengthening the linguistic skills?
Thank you so much, Ayush, for asking this question. And before I start, I would like to share a quote of Swami Vivekananda, which is very close to my heart. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life, think of it, dream it, and live it. The quote encourages adults and teachers and students and the people like us, the leaders of the institution, which say that at least allow us to learn in the new way and to be curious, enhance thinking power, and generate curiosity, sustain curiosity. And this particular quote encourages me, and I would like this thought process which my each and every learner of my school should follow, that we need to be prepared for this constantly changing world. So I think this idea and एक idea बदल दे आपकी दुनिया.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, coming upon next question, as you said that you are very curious, even I am curious too. So, I want to ask you that how we will go upon, like what steps will be taken by us to strengthen it?
Thank you so much. Very thoughtfully asked, and I think that curiosity will be there with each and every learner of the school, that why and how this will help us. So let me tell you that the idea behind it is that every day we will be broadcasting a news. That will be a news broadcast, and my English teachers will be in charge of it. And for students, they will read the news, and that will be telecasted to all the students, all the parents, so that they can update themselves with the daily things. Now, along with this news podcast, we will be having one podcast interviews wherein students will interview their teachers or some more. We will call some guests also. They may have a conversation with their friends also on the pertaining topics or the relevant topic which will be there. So that's a schedule has been fixed, that the plan is at place, and hopefully keeping my fingers crossed that this will be a successful initiative which will help my learners to enhance their I'm not particularly talking about English only. This will help us to build the English, Hindi, Sanskrit, all three languages are on our duality, and that is the idea behind it.
It is truly a fabulous idea. I'm very curious about this. So now, keeping this in mind, I would like to ask that how it is marked with the curriculum and so on.
Yes, as we all know that NEP 20 New Education Policy was introduced in 2020. That talk about inclusive education, that talk about that experiential learning, and now in the same process we had Nipun Bharat, the base of it, and NCF school education came in 2023. Then in that NCF 2023 document only, on page number 194, it was clearly mentioned that we need to generate curiosity. And we all know that we are teaching to the generation Alpha, generation Z, and followed by generation Alpha, and then the new. And then these students need change, and these students need something which is out of the box. And I think you are in agreement with me.
Yes, ma'am, I do agree.
So what happened is they just from the usual classroom, and now with the caution board, which has been launched and which will be implemented in this session, and in computational thinking and artificial intelligence. So we can have the projects like this wherein students will demonstrate their skills and they will talk on the new initiative. Because right now we're talking about artificial intelligence, but I, being a technical person, I know that quantum is knocking the door. So we will have, this is the platform wherein we will have a discussion, we will have a debate, we will have a forum wherein everyone will have the voice to speak. They will be, they will hear by everybody. So that was the idea that has been mapped. Clearly with the curriculum, very planned structure has been made so that we can implement it in a proper way.
Ma'am, please share your last line to conclude this session.
I would like to conclude this first podcast of Lebanon Public School, Gurugram, Haryana, with the quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which is very close to my heart. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Such quote illustrate how one step leads to another, suggesting that as you learn new things, your imagination expands. That imagination helps you think more clearly, and clear thinking gives you room for the knowledge. All this builds your confidence and help you become someone who can do great things. This thought basically tell us that yes, we can do something. And I firmly believe together we can bring the change.
So, I would like to thank you, ma'am, for sharing your wonderful time with us today. We wish all the best to all the Lebanites for this new journey. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.